Hello students, I am going to tell you about slash and burn. As you know, literally it is called slash and then burn. Slash means slaughter, yani cut, and then burn it. So I tell you, this kind of farming is done into the forest. It had been done since very beginning, but now it is not in practice. It has been banned due to the reduction of area under forest cover. That is very dangerous. So slash and burn means farmers clear a patch of land and produce cereals and other food crops to sustain their family. Means in the forest they clear the patch of land and then whatever is left over, that is burnt to increase the fertility of the land, and continuously 2, 3, 4 years they grow the crops on that same land, and when the fertility begins to decline they shift for another patch of land. So such kind of practice is known as slash and burn. This type of shifting cultivation allows nature to replenish the fertility of the soil through natural process, but what happens, but the area under forest cover go in the risk zone, that begins to decline, and that may create disturbance of food chain, ecological disturbance, and climatic worse conditions, so on. Okay. One more negativity in slash and burn is this, that the land productivity of this type of agriculture is low. Why it is low? Because they do not use any chemical fertilizers in this type of cultivation, right? And this is known by different names in the different parts of the country. This had been practiced since so far, right? But now it is banned. Now it is not allowed. And whatever the names are there, you can see the name of the slash and burn from this top line and learn them. These are very important names and they are asked for 1 marks in the question. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe my channel if you like.